Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so in the unison section, we have unison panning and unison volume at 100%. Unison pitch is at 88%. Sublevel is at 0%. Unison phase is at 67%, and envelope variation is at 0%. Operator 1 is just a square wave. That's it. Filter 1 is a vanilla low pass on triple mode with flat and high quality on, with default cutoff and resonance values, and default wave shaper shape as well, with the wave shaper turned on. And I serialize that into filter 2, which is another vanilla low pass with default cutoff, no resonance, triple mode, and flat and high quality, with the cutoff being routed to mod X. And with the FX, all I did was turn on the default delay and turn the chorus order to 8, and that's the sound. Well, for Sytrus. For the general plugin wrapper, I use the arpeggiator, and I use the up direction, and I used, I believe, 2 steps. I used 2 steps for a time, full gate, and a range of 4, and that's the sound. And I right-click on C7 just for easier range access. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.